task. Okay.
Okay.
Last time we that is library and list complete.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I mean, today's topic is top navigation and managed metadata.
Mhm.
1 minute, Sangeeta. Just a second.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So
Yeah.
today's topic is top navigation and managed metadata.
Management.
Yeah. So top navigation is like, I mean, if you want to add some links and headers, then in the top,
Yeah.
this is called top navigation, and we
Okay.
generally use it for navigation purpose. So we need to give like headers, and within that we need to
Yeah.
categorize it. Then links we will give it. So
Okay.
based on our, I mean, how to add the links and all, we'll see now. In the same way, for
Okay.
the top navigation itself, we have other way
Mm.
that is called managed metadata for same top navigation.
Okay.
So that we'll see. If time permits, we will
Okay.
add another topics. Let us see. I mean, it takes some time.
Okay. Okay. You start recording.
Yeah, it is. I think
Okay.
already started. 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
I'll just check it. Yeah, it's already started.
Okay. Okay.
So how to add top navigation is just go to site actions and click on
Right.
site settings.
Yeah.
So you will get navigation here. I mean, it is not enabled for now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to add two features. The
Mm-hmm.
features are like, then only you will get it. Features are SharePoint server publishing infrastructure. One more feature is
Okay.
SharePoint server publishing. Otherwise, you won't get it.
Okay. So we should activate this one or
Yes, we should activate these two.
okay.
So first one, I have to activate this because the second one is depending on the top feature, infrastructure feature.
Okay.
So how to install it? Just activate is. You have to
Mm-hmm.
go to site action, site settings. You will see here site
Yes.
collection
Yeah.
features.
Yeah. Yes.
So click on site collection features.
Mm-hmm.
You'll get SharePoint server publishing infrastructure.
Okay.
This should be activated.
Mm-hmm.
I'm activating now.
Yes.
take just a minute, I think.
How long it will take?
I think it takes a minute, 1 minute.
Okay, okay, okay. And if possible, today, if it's possible, so just overview info part. Can it possible?
The problem is like I have to all these features I have to activate. I mean,
Okay,
theoretically, if I
okay.
say something like, yeah,
Or else I just go through with the YouTube one.
okay. Or if you want, I mean, I have to all the things I have to set up the environment. Then
Okay,
I'll take tomorrow. If you are
okay, okay, okay. Not an issue. I just know the basic things.
okay,
Or else I just go with that YouTube. I just check that in YouTube. So not an issue.
okay, okay. Check it out. The basic things in
Okay.
YouTube, whatever you are
Mhm.
working. So anyhow, I mean, they may ask like how to add the filter fields and all.
Right. Yeah, yeah. This is easy. That
Which one? Infopath?
Infopath is easy. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it is easy only. Compared to coding part, it is very easy.
Okay.
I mean, if you compare with
I'm a
.NET,
little
that is
bit.
just a 25%.
Okay. I just
Just
I little bit worry about this thing. So
no, no,
that's
no,
why.
no need to worry about Infopath because very easy.
Okay.
Since I mean you
Because
have worked
yeah.
in .NET, right? I mean you
Mm.
have done lots of like .NET Whoops concepts, stored project, many
Right, right,
things are
right.
there. If you compare with that,
Yes, yes,
this is just maybe
yes.
I can say 20 to 25%. Almost like this
Okay,
only,
okay.
navigation and
Basically that
tracking. Yeah, like that.
okay, okay. Like Sunday evening 6 o'clock my interview. So
Okay. You just prepare the basic things
yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
YouTube. Later
Yes.
we will see.
Yeah, yeah. Because I have that after that 15 days time I have.
We
Bef-
we can finish it. Before that itself, we will be able to.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because that 15th June I started with that new project. So
Okay.
so it's activated, right?
Yeah, it is already activated. So you are seeing that active.
Mm-hmm.
The next feature is
Right,
go back to site settings.
right.
Click on manage site features.
Mm-hmm.
Previously it is site collection features. Now it is manage site features.
Right. Mm-hmm.
SharePoint server publishing is there.
Mm-hmm.
Activated. It is also done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Activated. Go back to site settings. Now you can see many things. Okay. Just
Yes.
click
Yes.
on navigation. Now,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, actually we were waited for this link.
Navigation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So click on that. Here you can see, I mean, two things: managed navigation, structural navigation. I mean, we were
Okay.
planned for this only two. So now we are seeing structural navigation, basic one. Okay. So in the structural navigation, as of now, only two things. One is site name. Second one is pre-sales. Okay.
Yeah.
So these two are available, pre-sales and so
Yeah.
in the global navigation, I will add there are two things. One is header and link. Okay.
Right.
Header is, I mean, if you don't want to, I mean, even when the end user clicks on the link, it it won't work. Just it will be
Yeah.
like a static tag. But link is it
Mm.
navigates to the actual page.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe my header name is human resource. URL I am giving as it is header, I am giving ash. .NET also in the anchor tag will give ash, right? So if you don't want
Mm-hmm.
to navigate anywhere, like
Mm.
we'll give
Hash. We
ash.
used hash. Yeah.
Yeah, same code we
Yeah.
have to use here and click
Right.
OK. This is permission part. We'll see it later. I mean that class was when we come to the permissions class, we'll cover this.
Mm.
Click OK. And within the human resource, I will add link.
Okay.
I need link now.
Yeah. One more question. I have one question.
Yeah.
So, okay, that human resource is a header. Under that
Yeah.
header, we just create
Yes.
navigation
Yes.
link, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
I have taken the employee info link and I am giving here.
Okay.
Click OK. Finally, I am saying OK.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to home page. See here, I mean, header is coming. Within that, link is appearing.
Employee.
I am clicking on
Right.
human
Yes.
resource. I'm
Mm.
still
Hash.
again here only.
Uh,
But if I click on employee info, I'm
mhm.
clicking on employee info. It is moving to employee info.
Employee.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can add multiple headers within the header, and we can add multiple headers here.
Okay.
So again, I'll add one more. Some URL I'm taking as of now.
Okay.
So I have added one more header,
Mm-hmm.
and within that one more link. I mean, you can add multiple links. I'll add one more link maybe.
Okay.
You can open in the new tab, new window also. You can
Okay.
click here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm just refreshing here.
Mm-hmm.
See here.
Yes.
Here.
Evening. Yeah.
So if I click on apply work from home,
Mm.
uh, I mean, you can edit when, I mean, whatever you want. You just click on here,
Yeah.
click edit.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Edit. We can edit.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm, this new window, it will open.
Like.
Yes, Sangeet. I mean, I'm just checking why
Yes.
it is not opening. We'll see, I mean, why it is not opening.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is out of the box feature. I mean, we cannot do anything. That is the problem.
For.
I mean, this should
Okay.
open in a new window actually.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I mean, like we in the HTML anchor tag, like target equal to
Right.
blank,
Right. Right.
use it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Same thing,
Yes.
it appears. I mean, let us see, I mean,
Yeah.
later why it is not appearing. But there is no, I mean, we don't need to do anything. We just need to
Okay.
select. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And one more thing, for example, I want to move this link to another header, like human resource.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So I can select the work from home, and you
Mm.
can select move up so that
Okay. Okay. Okay.
moves there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Even move down also it is possible.
Okay.
Clicking OK. Now this comes under the human resource header.
Right.
And one more thing is, like, you can delete the links. Just click on it. You can delete it. Like CRUD operations.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Create, update, or delete.
Mhm.
You can just delete, click OK. See, now it is only one link.
Right.
So this is called top navigation. I mean, this is structured navigation. I mean, basic thing, whatever we are getting.
Mm.
Okay. But there is one more thing, managed navigation. Managed navigation is
Mm.
uh, we will maintain it in the central location.
Okay.
So
Means.
central location means,
Mm.
so if you select, I mean, if I select structural navigation, we are getting here. Okay.
Right.
But if I go for managed navigation, okay, see here, taxonomy is coming. Any idea on
Yeah.
taxonomy?
Any idea about?
On taxonomy?
No, no, no.
Okay. Generally in .NET also, I mean, wherever, if we in the basic level in the application, no, so we will
Mm.
use this taxonomy. There are two things, taxonomy and folksonomy. We will call it as two things. Taxonomy means
Mm-hmm.
we are going to classify the system. I mean, classification of the system. I can write it here.
Okay.
A formal classification.
Mm-hmm.
That means, I mean, we will group the words, labels, that means headers and terms. Then we'll
Yes.
categorize it based on your application. For example, if it is medical application, like
Mm-hmm.
headers are like health, uh, second header maybe doctors,
Okay.
third header like hospitals. See, I'm
Right.
categorizing like patients, something.
Right.
And these are the headers. Within the health, maybe we have to give the links, health
Okay.
related link.
Yeah.
For example, if it is doctors,
Mm-hmm.
eye doctor, eyes, like that,
Mm-hmm.
specialist. So
But
something like we'll categorize. Yeah.
okay. So previous that top navigation and that this one. What is the difference between these? Because
Yeah.
same thing. We just create health main header. Then under this immunity, whatever it
Correct.
is, add it. We will add. So what is the main difference between those?
Yeah, we will see because in the taxonomy or whatever, like in the
Mm-hmm.
managed navigation, we have a
Uh-huh.
centralized location, that is term store management tool. Okay, if
Okay.
I do this, I mean, the taxonomy, whatever the terms and
Mm-hmm.
all, if I maintain it, I can reuse the same terminology in other site collection also.
Okay. So reused the thing, right?
Yes, for
Just,
example, I have done it for Benj India.
we can user control.
Yeah. So for example,
We
I
can
have the
compare
same.
with, yeah,
So for example, I have bench company. Entire bench, I want to
right.
maintain same terminology.
Yes.
Then we'll better use taxonomy and managed navigation.
Okay.
So I'll show you maybe how to do that.
Hello.
So you, yes, Sangeet. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah,
if I
tell me.
And here there is a tool called Term Store Management Tool.
Okay. Okay.
So everything we will do it here.
Mm-hmm.
We can add the links or whatever. We have multiple things here.
Right.
So I'm just waiting. This should come right click actually here.
Can you please repeat this one? Where
Okay,
from where? Yeah.
okay. I'm in
This part
site
is
settings, navigation.
yeah. No. This part yes.
Okay, you have to select managed navigation.
Okay.
Click on it.
Yes. Yeah.
So you will get the taxonomy.
Right. Right.
Okay,
Okay.
here you have a tool actually. This
Mm-hmm.
town store management tool is available.
Right.
So if I click on it, you'll open. You'll get the other link.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, I should get the right click here, like this.
Yes.
Okay. So for this is actually you are getting it for Bench India. You can see it here, site
Okay.
collection, sites Bench India.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
we came from this site. So we
Right. Right.
got this. So we have to select, right click on this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can create a term set here. Term set
Yes.
as we discussed, maybe hospitals. And within the term set, when I click on this drop down, you will get term,
Mm-hmm.
create term, maybe branches.
Right.
So in the branches, I have to give link to this. This is header, I don't want it.
Right. Right.
But for branches, I need it. So I have to Lots of features it should appear.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is enabled now. It will take little bit time. So
Right.
when I select hospitals, I will get in the intended use. Do we need to use it for navigation purpose? That means link you can give
Okay.
it. So
Okay.
otherwise you won't get the link option.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, just click on this hospitals, click on intended use.
Yeah.
Just select term set for site navigation.
Right.
Click save. See now you got the options.
Right.
Navigation option. So this is the title. I have to give the URL here.
Yes.
I'm giving
Okay.
like
Okay.
just simple whatever the URL.
Yeah.
Click save. I'm adding one more term. I'm giving it for navigation. Save it. If I go back main site,
Yes.
branches, patients. I have to select manage navigation
I
and
can't
click.
see your screen.
Oh,
Yeah. 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 Now it's fine.
okay.
Yes. I can.
See, if everything is over, I mean from here
Mm.
in this tool, go back here, click on manage navigation
Right.
and click OK here.
Okay. Okay. In order.
I have to select the term, whatever the header, I mean term set.
Okay.
So main thing is hospital, right? So I have to select that.
Right.
See now, the terms are coming from here.
Yes.
So within that, you can add whatever. You can create the terms. Branch Bangalore. I mean, we will give it later, the links.
Oh, okay.
Now it is appearing.
Mm,
So whatever the things I'm giving there, it is appearing here.
yes.
Okay. So there is one more thing is there. I mean, this is the way of. I mean, you can give the links here. I mean, as we discussed, if I want to give for
Yeah.
Ardo, go back to navigation, simple
Right.
link header, just give the link. That's it. Save.
Okay. Okay.
One more thing is you
That
can
is term
change the.
driven.
Sorry.
Yeah. One options are already there. That is term. No, no. Please, previous part that where the link we will put the link. Add the link.
Previous one.
Yeah, previous one. Just now you add the link, na? That part. That section.
This one or here.
Yeah. Hospital. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. It's fine. Next, there is the other options. Yeah. Where the link you already add one link just now.
Oh, I am just taking. I just copied from here.
Okay, okay, okay.
For example, employee info, the link I am copied here.
Uh-huh.
For example, Hyderabad, I want to give navigation,
Yeah,
simple link.
yeah, that is yeah, that is term driven page with friendly URL. What is the thing? Yeah, you sample link or header,
Yes,
then after that term driven that.
I need to give it in the sample link or header URL.
Right, right.
Click save.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
it appears here automatically.
Yes. Okay, okay.
Whatever in the top navigation links I am giving, I mean it is coming
Right,
from the term store management tool.
right.
So the main purpose of this term store management tool is it is common location. So we can, this is helpful in the search part. For example, if I search the same details, it appears over there.
Mm, yeah.
For example, I am searching here. I am searching with the term Hyderabad.
Mm,
So this will appear. I mean, I told you right. It takes some 30 minutes or 1 hour. Search
right,
will crawl every 1 hour. So it
right, right.
appears based on the navigation also. And the next one is, I mean, the terms will if we use it here. I mean, like we have multiple options here.
Right.
So, and one more thing is you can sort out also, like use custom sort order,
Mm,
like branches first. I mean, we have two headers, right?
mm-hmm.
I can give two. I mean, patients is one. click OK.
Okay, okay. Okay. Change the order.
Yeah, cannot become the town store, maybe another. And just refreshing. I mean, we don't need to do anything actually. It
Yeah.
is just an option to use it. Yeah, now it is done.
Mm.
Patients is first now. Initially branches is first, but we just made it patients first. Previously, I mean, sometimes it may happen. So just need to refresh the
Mm-hmm.
page and again do the work.
Okay.
So, and one more thing is
Mm-hmm.
we'll add region, region Asia Pacific, Japan region, United States region.
Okay.
Three regions I have added.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it will take just a minute. I mean, for refreshing purpose.
Okay.
It works synchronously, so it takes just 1 minute time.
Okay.
Okay. So I have taken the regions here. I am not taking any links here.
Okay.
So if you observe here, you are not
Mm-hmm.
getting any
Link.
links
Yeah.
uh, because I didn't use this for site navigation.
Yes.
There is one more way. We have missed it in the list actually.
Okay.
I'll show.
That's it.
Okay. So, for example, if I want to create a column,
Mm-hmm.
we have, I mean, previously when I have taken, we missed these three actually: task outcome, external data, and managed
Right,
metadata.
right. Yes.
So we have this option managed metadata.
Yes.
We'll take the column name as region.
Okay.
If you observe here, you got this taxonomy now.
Right.
You have to select which, I mean, term set we have to take it.
Okay.
I gave it as regions and click OK.
Mm-hmm.
Now if I go back to employee info, new item, title, show,
Yeah.
region, if I give AS, automatically it is coming Asia Pacific,
Okay.
United States, and
Yeah. Yeah.
Asia Pacific, save.
Yes.
That record is not displaying. Okay.
Yeah. Asia specialty.
When it was view, I mean, we have done the filter, so it's
Right.
appearing. So if I can take it from the term set.
Okay.
So easily you will get it from there. I mean, we in entire site collection we can use that. Whatever the term set we are created, no, that we'll get it.
Okay. Okay.
You got my point?
Right. Yeah.
Just need to go to create column,
Right.
take managed metadata,
Manage method.
and select the terms.
Whatever. Which one? Yeah. We
So
can
if
select hospital
yeah,
also. Yeah.
if
Yeah.
I select
Mm-hmm.
hospital, we gave for hospitals something patients.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it is there, like patients, ENT,
Okay. Okay.
predefined things will come up.
Right.
I mean, finally, we sometimes, I mean, user input, if we give the option to give the input to the end user, they may
Right.
able to do some mistakes.
Yeah.
So if it is predefined, then
Right.
you can simply manage it.
Yeah.
You can edit here, for example, ENTT. See, it won't allow you
No.
because the data is not available in the term set.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it will take only available data.
Yeah. Existing one.
Yes. Is it clear? Sangeet?
Little bit. Till now, when I just do the thing from my end, then it will clear basically.
Okay.
I just follow your navigation and whatever, but till now I just create from my end, then it will clear. I think so.
Yeah, yeah, that is true. I mean, when we are
Yeah.
seeing, it will be very easy, or it's okay for anything. When we are doing,
Yeah.
definitely we'll get some difficulties. I mean, we'll face
Yeah.
some.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it won't appear the
Yes.
links. Yeah, like
That time we understand that we
that. Correct.
will understood the things or not. So this is it. And one more question I have. This is not a question, but
Oh,
basically, okay, these things done or anything left this part?
yeah. I mean, these two things are over. We'll move to the next
Okay.
topic. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Basically, I'm working for a client election commission in West Bengal. Okay. So
Okay.
they use .NET platform, and they basically different type of forms are for new entry, modification, deletion. So here is that they create they are using those things in VB.NET. They create that related. Then after that, that DLL sent to the via mail to the district. And district download that DLL or whatever the link that install the thing, and
Mm-hmm.
then they entry edit whatever it is. It will work on that particular thing. We just provide them software,
Oh,
and then SQL Server. We are using the SQL Server for saving the data. This is
okay.
one thing. Second, this SQL Server data, then this merge with after some time, this merge with that data with that Delhi main head of,
Okay.
that is a Delhi. Okay, so uh, what is the utility if we use those things in SharePoint?
It is
We
everything is very easy. Simply we can develop everything. We can save the
and
time as well as like save the money.
yeah, yeah. And one more thing, that we just that merging one. We just data merge with the centralized. That part how we will handle if that Delhi if not use the SharePoint, so that time not possible. So how
Oh,
we will
if
manage?
if they are not using, then I mean,
Difficult.
yeah, we have to integrate with SharePoint. I mean, there is an option called APIs. Like
API, right?
West Bengal people, I mean, they will use SharePoint. Whatever the data it
Right.
is there, everything they will use it in SharePoint. So
Yeah.
integration is there, right? So we can integrate SharePoint with SQL Server, SharePoint with .NET, whatever. We can integrate it.
Yes. Yes. Right.
For example, West Bengal data, if you want to send it to the Delhi department, they are using SQL Server.
Right.
Then we
Right.
can integrate the SharePoint list with SQL Server if they provide the APIs.
Yeah.
If they
Okay.
provide the APIs, we'll create operation. Will do it.
Mhm.
Just create the record. I mean, whenever we create the record in SharePoint list, automatically it creates in the SQL Server. We have to
So
write
we
the API.
can use the, yeah, we can use API to transfer that data, existing SharePoint data to the SQL Server, right?
Correct. Yes, it is possible.
Okay, okay,
but they have to provide the API. I mean,
oh,
yeah, they have to make it
okay,
as a
okay.
host
And
and
if
provide the service, so we can
okay,
easily do it.
okay. And one more thing, all if they all use the SharePoint, then it will very easy to manage the data.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if everyone is in the same technology and
Yeah,
same page, then it is very easy. No need to think much.
yeah, and
Simply just create
right,
it,
right,
and we'll create multiple site collections. And maybe Delhi
right,
has its own site collection, and West Bengal
right,
has another site collection. If the
right.
data perspective, we can transparently we can pass from one site collection to another site collection.
Yeah, and easy to handle, and that is much more feasible and time saving. I think so.
Correct. Time, I mean, you are seeing, right? Everything is like, I mean, we should know, I mean, where we have to create, where we have to click,
That yes,
navigation part.
yeah, yeah.
Otherwise,
Navigation
everything will be very easy.
part. Yeah.
You are seeing the list, right? So, for example, if I have a list, I
Right.
just need to go
Uh-huh.
to a list and we don't need to create the forms like .NET, ASPEX forms.
Right. 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 Right.
So simply just create the list, create the columns, automatically you will get the form.
Yeah. And one more thing, if we want just a website, we create. This is a simple one. Okay. This is a when this is useful for a simple a form type or simple things. If we
Yeah.
create the website, okay.
Okay.
So how we will create that website that is colorful,
Yeah,
just
that
like
comes
simple
under
website.
next
Mm,
topics. I mean,
okay.
we have to create the web parts like in your .NET also you have web parts, right? Master pages
Right,
are
right,
in .NET.
right, right. Mm-hmm.
Layouts are page layout. Same concept we have to
Right.
implement in SharePoint. That
Okay.
covers in our course. See, if you
Mm-hmm.
want to show the home page, I mean, whatever, top navigation, we will use lots of colors, correct? And
Right,
home page is
right,
like here the news, everything like application links, events,
right.
trendings, whatever. And this should not appear. Everything we can do it through, I mean, in .NET, if I compare, if I have a master page, I'll do it. Here we can do it through
Yeah.
master page or page layout. Both concepts are there.
Mm-hmm.
Cover that.
Okay.
So CSS
Okay.
and all common here.
Mm-hmm.
So if I develop the page layout, entire home page looks like, I mean, different CSS will apply and colorful home page we can appear.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, still we didn't
Oh,
enter in the coding part.
right, right.
Mostly next week we will enter.
Yeah, yeah. That Sunday it's over. After
Monday
Sunday,
onwards.
I will. Yeah, yeah. That time till Sunday, little bit tense because basis on that, I just appear.
Okay.
Then I will assign that project. Then
Okay.
so hope for the best. Let's see.
Yeah, yeah. No problem. I mean, if you have any doubts or whatever, you can ask me. There is no issue
Yeah,
in your project or
yeah, yeah.
something. After assigning your,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. After first, I crack my interview. This is initial stage.
Okay. We will,
So then after,
if it is, my question is like,